Okay, so last day I ended here in question number 16, question number 15, right? So question number 16, I'll start. Question number 16 is important. So question number, look, you can see question number 16 and 17 look like same, right? So one question I'll do and one question I'll give homework, okay? Otherwise, I can't finish the chapter. Fine. So start with left hand side. Left hand side equal to. So what you have to do, you can see that whenever this kind of equation is, when expression will be there, you can easily just use the formula. So cos x minus cos y formula we'll use. Okay. So cos x minus cos y formula we'll use. That is formula number in 20. Second formula, cos x minus cos y. So the formula is, I'll try to copy the formula. This formula. Okay. Using this formula, so we'll reuse cos x minus cos y. So cos x minus cos y, so it will be minus 2 sine x plus y by 2, right? So sine, it will be sine x plus y. What is x? It's very small. Okay, what is x here? 9. So it will be 9x plus 5x divided by 2. Then sine x minus y. So I'm just writing, copy pasting. So it will be minus divided by, it is sine x, sine 17x minus sine 3x. So same, we'll use the sine x minus y formula. The formula is 2 cos x plus y. Where is x here? It is 17x plus 3x divided by 2. Okay. Then into sine x minus y. Sine x minus y. So remember the formula, where to use and when to use which formula. That is very important. Okay. Formula you don't have to just, and this. So I'm just writing one thing using this. Okay. Fine. So next line it will be, numerator. What will happen in numerator? In numerator it will be minus 2 minus 2 sine 9x plus 5x, it will be 14x, divided by 2 will be 7x. Okay, and 9x minus 5x will be 4x, divided by 2 will be 2x. So it will be sine 2x divided by 2 cos 17x plus 3x will be divided by 2 will be 20 by 2. So it will be cos 10x. Okay, then sine 17 minus 3 is 14, divided by 2 is 7. So it will be 7x. So we can see what we can just eliminate. We can eliminate this sine 7x and sine 7x and 2 and these two, right? So if you simplify this one, it will be minus sine 2x, okay, minus sine 2x divided by cos 10x. Okay, so I hope, yeah, answer also this is equal to right hand side. Fine. So this is our answer. Understood? Any doubt regarding this? Is so easy. If you know where to use the formula, the thing is easy. But if you don't know where to use the formula, that can make you trouble. So next question I'm giving homework, because the same question. Next question I'm just giving homework. This is 27. Okay. Next one I'm just giving homework. This one I'm giving homework. You can see that sine 5x plus sine 3. So you have to use the formula, and denominator also you have to use the formula. Okay. Question number 18 also I will give homework. Question number 19 I will do. Or question number 18 I'm doing. Question number 19 I will give you homework. Okay. So question number 18, left hand side equal to, just copy this one. Okay, so here also you can see we have to use the same thing. We have to use the formula sin x minus sin y divided by cos x plus cos y. Okay, so we can use sin x minus sin y. Formula is same formula we use here, sin x. So this is the formula is this. I can directly put, and cos x plus cos y formula. Cos x plus cos y formula is 2 cos x plus y by 2, x plus y by 2, and sin, sorry, cos x minus y by 2, x minus y by 2. So this is our formula. So now what we can cancel in this, you can see 2 and 2 cancel, right? uh, this 2, this 2 and these 2 cancel, and cos x plus y by 2 and cos x plus y by 2 can be cancelled. Okay, so what will remain? Remaining part will be this. Okay, sin x minus y by 2 and cos x plus y by 2. So this will be remain. So you can see that sine same angle divided by cos same angle. So it will be tan x minus y divided by 2. Okay, that is equal to right hand side. Fine. Similarly, this one 19 I'm giving homework. Okay, 20 I will do. 19 also I'm giving homework because same question. You will also need to do some practice. Okay, so 19 also homework. The question I'm marking with this blue, it will be homework. Okay, later I will upload and I hope you remember that question number 13 also given homework. So when I will make a homework, when I will make homework port, then you can just upload there. Okay, homework assignment when I will give then. Okay, so let's move on to the any doubt regarding question number 18. You can easily see you have to just use the direct formula, but remember now you can use the formula I mean seeing the book. Okay, so practice more questions so that the formula will be I mean you can remember the formula easily. Okay, and I hope all of you make a A4 paper that I told to do and write down all this formula and keep it in your math book. Okay, so in this 20 question number 20 we can see, let's start. Here also you can see we have to use the formula, same formula. First I will use sin x minus sin 3x, that means sin x minus sin y formula, right? Which formula? This formula, sin x minus sin y. This formula we have to use. This formula we have to use. So sin x minus sin y, right? Formula is 2 cos x x plus y by 2. I'm directly writing the formula here. Formula is this 2 cos x plus y by 2. So what is x here? X is x, but what is y? Y is 3x. Okay, then x minus y. So what is y? 3x. Okay, 2 cos x plus y, here y is 3x divided by 2, and sine x minus y, here y is 3x. Okay, next, for this what formula we can use? For denominator, any suggestion? For denominator, anyone have suggestion? What formula we can use? Sine square minus cos square x. What formula we can use? Sine square minus cos square x. Let's see. Write down in the chat box. What do you think about which formula we can use? Any suggestion? No, I can use a plus b whole square, but here a plus b whole square I will not use. We can use a plus b whole square formula and then using this again x plus y formula, but no, I will not use. I'll use this formula. I hope all of you remember what is the cos 2x formula. Cos 2x equal to this right? Cos 2x equal to, I hope you can see here, that cos square minus cos 2x equal to cos square minus sine square x, right? So what is given here? Sine square x minus cos square x. So what will be cos sine square minus cos square x? Okay, here, okay, I can write minus in bracket. Look, can I write this? Sine square x minus cos square x. Now I'm just taking common minus. I'm writing cos square minus sine square. Why? Because we can use this formula here. Cos 2x equal to cos square minus sine square we can use here. Okay. So next line it will be equal to numerator it will be 2 cos x plus 3x. X plus 3x how much? 4x divided by 2 is 2x. Okay. And x minus 3x. X minus 3x equal to sine in bracket minus 2x divided, so it will be minus x, right? Understood? X minus 2x, 3x is minus 2x divided by 2 is minus x. So what will be numerator? Denominator we can use cos square minus sine square, formula is cos 2x, so it will be minus cos 2x. Okay, so look, this cos 2x and this cos 2x we can eliminate. Okay, so that we can simplify this easier. Am I clear? So this is the thing where you have to know that where which formula will use. That is the beauty of trigonometry. Okay, you may know the all the formula. Okay, but it does not mean that you have to understand which formula you have to see, which formula you have to use. Okay, so next move on to the, so we'll use here using, okay, so next line we can write 2 cos 2x, right? Or we can easily cancel cos 2x. Yeah, in this line we can easily cancel cos 2x, then we'll move this cos 2x, sorry, this cos 2x and this cos 2x gets cancelled. So what is remain on the numerator? On the numerator it will remain sine. Okay, sine minus x, we know that minus sine x, so numerator it will be minus 2 sine x and denominator will be minus 1. So this minus and this minus cancel, right? So this will be equal to 2 sine x, and I hope this is we have to prove. Okay, fine. So let's move on to the question number 21. Question number 21 will use the concept we used before, but only the thing is that we have to rearrange this first. Okay, any doubt on regarding question number 20? Any doubt on question number 20? No doubt, right? Fine. Moving towards the um. So can you explain the last second part again? Last part means okay. Okay, fine. So I'm explaining once again. This you can see that I'm using we have to prove that sine x minus sine 3x divided by sine square minus cos square equal to 2 sine x, right? So in numerator you can see we are using the sine x minus sine y formula. So it will be 2 cos x plus y by 2 sine x minus y by 2, right? So here x is x and y is 3x. So x plus 3x by 2, and here sine x minus 3x by 2. Denominator, I can easily use sine x plus sine square x minus cos square x. I can easily use a square minus b square formula, but I'm not using because we know we have one formula cos square minus sine square, right? That is cos 2x. So what I'm doing, I'm just taking the minus common. So sine square minus cos square x, if I take minus common, it will be cos square minus sine square. So next line we can easily put the formula for cos square minus sine square, right? That is cos 2x, and I'm simplifying this one, cos x plus 3x. X plus 3x equal to 4x divided by 2 is 2x, and x minus 3x is minus 2x divided by 2 is minus x. So it is 2 cos 2x into sine minus x divided by minus cos 2x. So you can see cos 2x and cos 2x will cancel, and we know that sine minus is minus x is minus sine x. So next line it will be minus 2 sine x divided by minus 1, and minus minus cancel, so it will be 2 sine x. That what we have to prove. Okay, that is right hand side. Understood? Okay, let's move on towards the next question. In this question also we have to use the cos x plus cos y formula, right? But we will not directly use, I mean we will not use like this. We will first arrange, then we'll use. So in numerator you can see numerator, you can see numerator what I'm writing is numerator we have cos 4x plus cos 3x plus cos 2x. So I'll rearrange like this, cos 4x. First let me rearrange and then let me I'll tell you the rest. Cos 2x, sorry, cos 2x together plus cos 3x. Okay, cos 4x and cos 2x I'm writing in bracket together, and cos 2x cos 3x, I mean like this. Okay, why? You can ask me. I'm showing you next line. So if you use cos 4x plus cos 2x, what is the formula? Formula is 2 cos x plus y by 2 into x minus y by 2. So I'm writing again 2 cos x plus y. X plus y is 4x plus 2x. Look, I'm not writing the denominator, the sign part. I'm not writing. I'll write later. First, let me show what why I write like this. Okay, for that purpose, I'm writing like this. So cos x plus y by 2 into cos x minus y by 2. What is x? 4x 4x minus 2x divided by 2. Okay, this is what we have inside the bracket. This is what we have inside the bracket, plus cos 3x. Okay, now if you simplify the numerator, what you will get in the bracket? You will get 2 cos 4x plus 2x, how much? 6x, divided by 2 will give you 3x, and cos 4x minus 2x is how much? Cos 2x divided by 2 is cos x. Okay, plus cos 3x was there before. So why I'm writing like this? You can see that we can now take common the cos 3x from both. Am I clear? So you have to see, look, our formula, maximum formula, 20, question number 20 formula is, whenever cos x plus cos y formula is there, you can see all these formula are like the result of the formula is x plus y by 2. So I am calculating like this. Okay, 4 plus 2 is 6, divided by 2 is 3. So here is also 3. Am I clear? If you take the these first two value, the result will not be same. Okay, you may not get the required thing. You may simplify the thing, but you may not get the these simplified things. Okay, so you have to be careful which things you have to need to write. Similarly, denominator also I will use the same thing. I will write denominator, I will write same in bracket. I'll write cos sine 4x and sine 2x in bracket, then sine 3x. So in bracket formula will be sine x plus sine y, formula is 2 sine x plus y, 2 sine x plus y into cos x minus y, x minus y. That is our bracket work, plus what do you have? Sine 3x. Okay, so if you simplify this one, you will get 2 sine 3x and cos x. Okay, and plus sine 3x was there. Okay, so if you now if you take common, cos 3x from numerator, you are taking cos 3x common. What will remain? It will remain 2 cos x plus 1, right? If you take cos 3x from here and here, what will remain? 2 cos x plus 1. And denominator, if you take sine 3x common, what will remain? Remain will be 2 cos x plus 1. Okay, so you can easily see what is the common between numerator and denominator. This part, common, so this part will cancel. So next line you can write cos 3x divided by sine 3x, which is equal to cot 3x. Okay, that's what we have to prove, right? RHS. Clear? This question is important question. Okay, this question, not this question, this type of question is important. Fine. Any doubt? If any doubt, let me know. If there is any doubt, let me know. Hmm. Okay, fine. Let's, this question also very important. Question number 22 is also very much important. So in this question you can see, I hope your book page number is page number 74. You can see that cot x into cot 2x minus cot 2x minus cot 3, sorry, into cot 3x minus cot 3x into cot x, which is equal to 1, you have to prove. So what you have to do, we have to, for next one, here first part will not change. This is the few problem which you have to remember the technique. Understood? If you don't know the technique in exam hall, you can't crack. Okay, these are few question you have to need to know the technique. Then I will take minus common from this. I will take minus common from this. Okay, now, not minus, sorry, I'll take cot 3x common from this. Cot 3x. So what will remain? Remain will be, I'm taking the minus cot 3x from these two last second part. So cos 2x plus cot x will be remain. Now we'll use the formula, equal to cot x into cot 2x minus cot 3x. Okay, now use the formula. What is the formula for cot a plus cot b? Cot a plus cot b formula. Anyone? Okay, now the thing is that we will not use this one. This part will remain as same, but this 3x can be written as this, right? Check, see what I'm doing. Cot 3x into cot 2x plus cot x. I'm not doing anything, right? What I'm doing, cot 3x, I'm changing cot 3x in cot 2x plus x. Understood? This 3x, I'm just writing 2x plus 3x. Now next line, I will use the formula, cot x plus y formula. I'll use the cot x plus y formula. What is the formula cot x plus y? Cot x plus y formula is, let me show you cot x plus y. This is the formula, right? Cot x plus y formula is cot x cot y. So cot x is here is 2x into cot y. What is y here? X minus 1 divided by cot x. Cot x means cot 2x here plus cot x. Okay, so this is our formula. Okay, now don't forget this part also multiplied, this part is multiplied to this. Okay, now what the thing is that this part and this part easily cancel. Okay, next this is, yeah, using, so next line it will be, next line it will be equal to this minus inside bracket cot 2x into cot x minus 1. Okay, if you open the bracket, if you open the bracket it will be, if you open the bracket it will be, this will be minus, and here it will be plus, right? Okay, so this, if you open the bracket, this minus is which cancel, I mean sorry, this minus and this minus will be plus. Now look, this part can be cancelled easily. Look, cot x into cot 2x minus cot 2x into this, so which is equal to 1, which is equal to right hand side. Okay, this question also very very important. This question, this type of question is very important. Fine, this, for this type of question you have to practice this question very much, understood? Otherwise you will not get the answer. Okay, so next question, this question you can solve from right hand side or left hand side also. Okay, so I'll start with left hand side. Let's see, left hand side equal to tan 4x. Okay, can anyone tell me what is the tan 2x formula? It's okay, you can tell by yourself here. Tan 2x formula is, tan 2x formula is 2 tan x divided by 1 minus tan square x, right? That's formula. This is the formula, tan 2x formula, right? We will use this formula here. Okay, how? Like this. Tan 4x, we can write tan in bracket 2 into 2x, right? Now here x is means 2x, so what will be the formula? The formula will be 2 tan x. Let's write the formula here, then I'll replace. 2 tan x, instead of tan, sorry, instead of x it will be 2x. Here also it will be 2x. Okay, now you know what we have to do. You have to use same formula again. We have to use the same formula instead of this 2 tan x. Okay, this is only laborious problem. Okay, uh, let's write here. We know this. So let's put the formula again. 2 into, now we'll use the this formula directly. Copy, just pasting. Fine. then 1 minus tan squared 2x. So in bracket these. Okay, now simplify. I'll simplify now. Okay, so in the simplification, let's, this part will be, numerator will be, just wait 1 minute. Okay, so this part will be 2 and 2 will multiply, so it will be 4 tan x, right? Numerator will not change. Denominator 1 minus, what will be this number? 2 tan x divided by 1 minus tan square x. So numerator will be 4 tan square x. Okay, divided by 1 minus tan square x whole square, right? Divided by 1 minus tan square whole square. Okay, if you do the LCM, numerator will not change. Denominator, the LCM will be this. The LCM will be this. And numerator, it will be this one minus 4 tan square x. Okay. So one thing, I think you may think this is very complicated, but this is absolutely not complicated. One thing, look, 1 minus tan square x, and here 1 minus tan square x whole square. So this part will cancel, right? Cancel means only here the square part will cancel. So what will remain here? What will remain here? Numerator, it will be 4 tan x, right? 4 tan x. And denominator it will be 1 minus tan square x. What will be numerator? Numerator, if you use the formula, okay, if you use the formula, it will be 1 minus 2 tan square x, sorry, 1 minus 2 tan square x plus tan square x, tan square x plus, sorry, minus 4 tan square x. Okay, just wait, will better, I will just write like this. Okay, so this line, while we were there, we are in this line, understood? So here 1 minus tan square x, I'm just making one line, this is giving you the formula. I hope all of you know the formula, a minus b whole square formula, right? So what will be the numerator? Numerator 4 tan x will not change. Denominator, it will be 1 minus tan square x will be here, and here 1 minus 2 tan square x plus tan square x minus for tan square x, right? Minus for tan square x. So if you simplify this one, it will be 1 minus 6 tan square x plus tan to the power 4x. Okay, I did one mistake here. It will be 10 to the power 4x is whole square, right? Tan square